So today I'll show you how to make your beef super tasty and also how to avoid oil splash while frying. So the first thing you want to do is to get ready your beef. So into my pot I already have my washed beef. So I just season it with some onion. So be very generous with your onion, as this will help your beef become tender quickly. So add in a lot of onion in there, and then next thing I want to do is just to mix up my spices. So for my spices, I'm making use of thyme, curry, coriander, sage, cinnamon, oregano, salt, seasoning cube, and that is it. So just mix up everything together. So the next thing I want to do is just to add in some garlic and ginger puree. So you can decide to use the fresh one, you mustn't puree it. So the next thing you're just going to do is to add your spices into the meat, and then you just want to mix up everything together until it is well combined. The next thing you want to do is to go in with some bay leaf. This is going to make your beef super tasty. So the next part, this is very important, is to cook your meat on low heat. Do not add any water. You want the meat to extract its own stock. As you can see, there's so much stock that our meat has extracted. So do not add water. Just cook on low heat until the meat extracts its own stock. If you're certain that the stock or water that the meat has extracted won't be enough to cook it, so the next thing you want to do is to add the water bit by bit. So do not add so much water into the meat. Just want to add the water bit by bit. This will what make your meat super tasty. So cook the meat until it is soft and tender. Now this step is very important. This is a secret to frying beef without oil splash. So once your beef is cooked, scoop it into a sieve over a bowl. Allow all the liquid to drain out completely. So there should be no water left in the bowl underneath, and the beef itself should feel dry. This should take about 30 minutes or so. So the next thing you want to do is just to heat up your oil and then add in some onions just to flavor the oil. The next thing you're going to just do is just to add your beef and fry that on both sides until they are golden brown. And when I tell you, you will not have any form of oily splash, and you have yourself a very tasty, delicious beef. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka, and I will see you on the flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.